Hello, and let's talk today about the quite popular phrase from knitting designs, follow the pattern, or knit the knits, purl the purls. What does it mean? So in order to explain this concept, I prepared a small ribbed swatch. In ribbing, our knit stitches are followed by purl stitches and so on till the end of the row. When we face with the phrase follow the pattern, actually we need to identify we have a knit stitch right now or a purl stitch right now. Should we purl or should we knit? Let me show you how to identify. Okay, now it's the beginning of my row. When you see these bumps, it means that you need to purl these stitches when somebody, or not somebody, but your designer asks you to follow the pattern. So I will purl these two stitches. I take one more needle. Now I see this. It means that I need to knit these stitches. So when we see V, we need to work the stitch as knit stitch. Now again we have bumps. It means that we need to work the stitches as purl stitches. Again we see V's, we knit. Bumps, we purl. Thanks for watching.